What's going on, guys? So this is a question I've seen multiple times is, what skills do I need to be successful in real estate investing and real estate wholesaling? Well, first off, if you have never been in sales, ever, then you probably need to develop some soft skills. And soft skills are communication skills, or skills dealing with people, being able to read body language, be able to understand psychology, be able to understand people, how they work, how they tick. It's a must. Folks, number one skill that you need in real estate wholesaling, because you're dealing with people, this is a people business, is how do I communicate in the most effective way possible? And all that is sales, and all that is marketing. So you need to know sales, you need to know marketing. Marketing brings in the leads, sales converts leads into deals. Those are the biggest two things. So if you are getting into this business, before you start learning about foundations and roofs and siding and termites and toilets, you need to know, how do I talk to people? How do I get people to trust me, like me, know me? How do I convey and communicate my idea over to this person where they actually want to do business with me? That is numero uno. So the skills that you need are sales and marketing. Marketing is more science. It's more based on numbers and output and KPIs and things like that. And we'll go in more details on that. Sales is a little bit more of an art. It's actually way more of an art. Sales is being able to read people, understand people, communicate with people, being able to find common ground to where someone actually wants to sit down and talk with you and do a deal with you. Otherwise, if they don't like you, man, they're never going to do a deal with you unless the deal is just stupid, smoking hot. And that does happen every now and then. But listen, skills, sales, and marketing, those are the very first two things that you need to be able to understand in real estate wholesaling and investing. You got to be able to talk to people and communicate. Communication skills is king in this business. So you need to go find a course, you need to go read a book, you need to go, take a class, you need to get on YouTube, whatever you got to do, you need to get on it. It ain't about foundations, it ain't about roofs, it ain't about concrete walls. This is about people. At the end of the day, this is the people business. Sales, marketing, and communication. Those are the things that you need to know and learn to be successful in this business.